This week, I made adorable taco trays.
Yeah, for her gourmet tacos.
Yep, so put down your tools, guys. It's time for a make or break.
Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. I'm Ram.
And I'm Sarah, and this week I found some really easy plans over at hearttools.com to make adorable taco trays.
Which is great because she makes some amazing gourmet tacos.
Here's how it went.
So this project was something I found over at hearttools.com. They have a ton of easy DIY projects, and this one turned out to be no different. I'm making a set of serving boards for tacos. I started by making the board. I needed a piece that was 11 3/4 of an inch by 10 inches, so I started with this 1 by 10 board and cut it down to 11 3/4 of an inch with my circular saw. Next, it was time to sand some more, because no one wants splinters in their tacos, am I right? Then I needed to drill holes for our dowel rod. To do that, I used a 1/4 inch drill bit and measured 1/2 inch up the bit and taped it off. That way, I was able to make all of the holes the exact same depth. Next, I marked off the holes where the dowel rods would go and got to drilling. See? You just drill down until you hit the tape, and all of your holes will be the same depth. Next, I needed to cut my 1/4 inch dowel rod into 8 2.5 inch pieces. I used my miter saw, but honestly, you could use a hand saw just as easily. Once I had my 8 pieces cut, I sanded each one on a sanding block to get rid of any tear out and round over all of the edges. Next, I hammered in each one of the pegs. You can glue these in too, but honestly, they're staying in just fine without it. And just like that, taco tray! Next, I decided to stain it with a dark walnut from Varathane Wood Stain. Look how pretty! Now, if you choose to stain yours, you'll have to wait at least 30 days for it to fully dry before using it for food. And that was it. Next, I served up my famous gourmet tacos. Yum.
Yes?
Gourmet tacos.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like if you go back and look real close.
They don't have to. They don't have to go back and look. It's fine. I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Heart.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, so you don't miss a thing. All right, break's over.
Go make something.